Zano. Eddie Gawu. Yes, car.
There's this website. Is it cafcolonialism.com and FIFA colonialism.com? The name's Ayala Akai. Yana is so interesting. Once a consistently features are we are there against, regardless of the error. Against. Rich, my main try, FIFA, established education and non-profit organization. Pachawuti. Oko Switzerland. Omo headquarters wa. Sanya register no. Say a non-profit organization. Our mrane mense say odi so abai Swiss laws no. Say FIFA ye niema na ekokotia Swiss laws a. Ne ho be kire no so ya we. Emran ni bibi. Onye bibia contrary to that. Pacho o te dey mention na say. Consistently sika bi eba FIFA mu bia no. Member associations no and or dem in the wobet a revolving fund. So till now issue of a corruption and Infantino no corrupt any other. Only the worrying aspect. Obient mean prove ba kumpo. Obient mean prove. And rich a bad day so be prove because the reason is that FIFA ni baby or abian on the auditors and on the procedures are follow. But also when you're pointing, all procedures also follow. Or follow procedures we are set way, for instance, or debate a proposal. Brofune say a proposal. Or imposing BBO, he's just proposing. She said, oh proposing. Now more stakeholders of the game. Member associations, you know. Some would you to one juma. By simple majority. But what I say, Circle Congress by simple majority. Or imposing bibia on obio and like I said overstep it the bounds and the boundaries or yes sir or say a proposal rich at the end I love leaders who think outside the box. I always appreciate people who are innovative in as much as I can say FIFA and non-profit organization no. However it doesn't imply say our kwenya say obeye nyema edisika ebeba ama ne nkrofo anya so mfaso ani so oye. Let's get it straight. On say na confuse mu FIFA a non-profit organization. Yes, it is true. On care so about the pemfaso bi dia to or say the member associations
scaneba me ache
scaneba na obi agene bra because o person will improve sport no rich obia say IOC say de yo uti sport to be obia umbia no who expect so obenya a leader or innovative enya sa na ope sport to be a obia na say baby obia no ope leader or innovative enti sa that na say den na papa CAF president
Patrick Mushepe
denti ye don e pe na asamo a ye ntini hu ja denti a
and what the man football can in $20,000 so dia or the code 2 million.
Rich.
Who in here man Afcon?
Never to every the bottom.
No.
Every. And your innovations as much at a point or the legat. Okay, say maybe a legat. Yeah, say omo and a bemo TV rights. No mo aye Afcon. A baba be issue. Because ye na you also have block now you feel say you free the English block urban. We felt to say commentary no will be French. Hence MY. But the bottom line is that sika generating no ye na benefit here. Rich, there are so many innovations our CAF president de buy a benefit here. Me try there be the FIFA ASSA no powerhouses news true. Onim the amo musu. Politics na director sports can ho asem no. Now powerhouses now say e can say innovations are urban. Ebama yen Africa no ye be enjoy more. She World Cup na ye coin no. Say the level of World Cup no say no African teams no so ko. Say Kevin mu na hu. Look in terms of sikasem yembe Europe baby a. Yes say ye person in game ye develop it. Never be do the level bet me a compete at the highest level. And yes I eka. Rich then you're here to develop our game. And yes, Now why should
your mom be that 8 million?
It is still not enough. Uti. So exactly. Usha ball.
8 million the mom what to be the IBB.
Oh no, mema money mistake.
Okay.
Sansem we oh, metes a man foka. Me, I don't speak for the FE. But minimum as a matter of fact because they are cratching for you suade. Afibiano, Uti. Afibiano. South FIFA for program no can ye can. Our boxes are also take. And son as can ye diabro. Ye bisa ebia women's football. Now I take a honor scar. Ye the amount. Empty boxes na about 10 boxes also taking in na. And son osika also ban when you say sikan. And yem fancy a trimbia say afibian so no. Efeno. I auditors on Baba audit so ya way. And they sound Price Water Coopers. FIFA audit firm. Kesi we are seeing the recognizing ye. Oma me audit TF account. So about audit. So I know the issue of corruption no. Oh, can one asem near case of evidence bra day them out. Because the point is that Sikabia no Efeno. Enye free FIFA so eba no. FIFA are convinced. Send auditors Baba audit na. Amo e convinced say Charlie Adiano, Sikam fa baby. Rich Pacho so your point ni. Enti anye say bi afinity ono. Sikane bad your pay bi otimi de or the because answer na FIFA for a program kra no. Sikane ya dem no. Or say wo kire niam ade koye. Rich ema education no. Or say wo kire niam no. And project no kra answer na be say underway no. Onim say FIFA wo omo small mo. Emo ba be assess. Ansani ajia tumti ejitum wiensu a oye project na at every point in time there are auditors. Efse making sure said the uye bia no is on course. And minim say bia utie. Say bia probably figures ni betimi blow tibia minimum e asem na miko. Say bia hona cross betimi afa
which is also possible.
Yes, and no dey mean chire.
And dey mean evidence bia.
Good, but minimum as a matter of fact say sika bia na efe no enya from FIFA bia no. Omo account it rate. And there it's an established fact.
Is it good? Beyond accounting, auditing, any BBR, for what bunting of the institution there, or proper assessment is a impact.
Impact, yes.
Or proper assessment is impact. Into for instance, for the long years I was seen Techidi as the president of the FA. Amba say FIFA say your forward project, our approve of this camera. Water coopers money KPM engine mo call the TNO omunya problem.
Yes.
But for what you want to know uko prama na say uwe den sika na yesi ye twa e dey project na udu wani show project na you are assessing impact any book no right na say me see 1 bedroom block na me say me to cement 100 am this year.
Yo, Kuma, Obi, your client, for come to a Obi got 100 million. We got 300.
For money.
Exactly. It has never been the auditing aspect of it, but the impact. It is a Ghana Football Association say since 2016, this the number of amount from the FIFA Forward projects. Now say.
You
pointed to a day na say 20 million. We've seen clubs outside. We've seen FS outsider. Almost the same 20 million. Are you BBR? You are made by it. We are assessing it.
Yes.
Through impact.
I agree completely. That's what I'm saying, say. By virtue of say education here, dema, into no sika no mo de no. Ubi so mo anu yom de bema no. Pacho uti. Into the by of corruption na dey so betimi aka ne bebre. But it is true say utimi share project be no be sound say e reflect sika eba. And on de no correct. Okay. Aris. You fair yes anya mani nyina no. E na no pa no me ko hu story bi. Na say Kalafi. Me hu story they say ono na UEFA. Share san commod ne beba. But El Kalafi so no next so me contesting Infantino. But El Kalafi so as only interest. Pachoti PSG adwuma no ene bia na adwuma no ese BI no se bia na adwuma na ankasa no. Eno ana oye no. Na niji ndwuma oye ho. Oni time cry for sa adwuma yi. But eno no ye emra ne nkra bia ene be kire. Say after all ye nya politicians obi timi ka so me ni interest me contest. Be do baby na agent timesisa. But the UEFA AM clearly indicates say they've lost interest in Gianni Infantino, who is one of their own. Obia woni reason e bi odeye the odeye. And it is obvious say apparently they feel say our son called to a certain lie. And FIFA, nanso FIFA no, and come ye UEFA for no. Ye na benefit no. And what say ye diamo. One World Cup expansion in Bokrano was even a problem. So meboa, UEFA consistently criticize CAF. Me cannot 9.5 because they are my 10 slots. Now I say about intercontinental playoff. Sanya money now they have issues with it. When they feel say gradually as Infantino, they all ye biano in a way or empower yeah level no CAF especially. And they have problem with it because Oman himself with the potential so gradually, including the just ended World Cup. There is you know, Eddie Adansi say Nkofo ye empower mu edu level bi. Ebedu da achi bi on be high. Rich person so on your point view. So your baby be basically to frustrate you. Na sad no because anka no so level there no sika. Enye sika.
Configuration obi anasa continent obi aba continent.
Exactly and rich.
There na so the house on back no.
Ning na lobby anka UEFA did anka mu yi. Anka nye de pause e ba abontene. Anka behind the scenes no. Say proposal. You better so aba. It's behind the scenes no. Nanka why you lobbying aye ni ye.
Some no man encourage on issues.
We're raising
before about committee or try raising to only few proposal on you too.
Rich Utie, what's any reasons and on you too? Fine. I like say be Utie. 20%
a black man's way.
20% and to still FIFA influence no.
Okay.
I will give them the at the home crown. So I just don't get
this whole football for football people.
For football people.
Me and my outside the BM no many influence be am happy.
At the time yeah. No, it's funny. It's funny.
UEFA. Not a Telegraph true story say they are candidates to contest Gianni Infantino and Nasser Khalifa. One Nasser Khalifa or a Qatari or European. It means that within Omono, they couldn't get a man to stand Infantino. Number two, Paris Saint-Germain and Qatar or more investment or more have had issues of corruption.
Sure.
FFP rules are more breaching a day. Even
UEFA
because he is the president of Paris Saint-Germain, our club no Europe. They went on to make Nasser Khalifa the president of ECA. Now, himself got to contest against Gianni Infantino because he is building a block. You are going in for Obio Free Qatar. They are going in for Obio Free Qatar. So that the Qatar investment fund will be back. Oh, then you turn around to preach corruption and tag Obi. Look, me say, let us liberate our minds from these whites and your politics no more play no. Ube say BBA him. They just don't like Gianni Infantino empowering other lower configurations to stand up and be more involved. Omunyaya and can walk up no. Can you be more African bombe hostio?
Na some kai ye dey walk up over South Africa 2010. And some Nkofo enkankan England for. Some mo trofa South Africa.
Germany say
se kura ye kunkum nipa yare is
Germany say umbeso mo host either 2030 some 2 World Cups there in Nancy so be host. Go and read the article or mature about Eno and why they think say that could shake the foundation of the rotational policy of World Cups near the you can't say the World Cup of Kokata. They say something a small country look, forget about these people.
Yet also na yeni black case in common.